All right, so I want to show you how Google Flow works. So this is very similar to Sora 2. It came out to be able to clone yourself, clone videos, clone people, anything you want, change voice. It's pretty impressive and it works really well. Also as a storyboard, so you can make longer videos using this as well. So first, I just want to show you how do you clone yourself. That's the most important thing. So you gotta log in and hit create avatar up here. That's where you get to do your face, do your story. It's pretty neat. So the QR code pops up. So I'll go ahead and hit that. All right, so on the screen record, it can ask me to agree to their terms of service. You got to give it access to your microphone and your camera. And then it's just going to go ahead and you tap to begin, and it's going to tell you the instructions to follow in order to clone yourself.
49, 21, 64, 68, 61, 13.
And that's going to go ahead and upload back into the computer. So went ahead and got the avatar here. So we're just going to go with it. Probably want to shave if I was actually creating my avatar here, but it's going to be pretty good for how it works. So go ahead and new project. So I'll say create me, jumping, thing to building like Spider-Man. All right, so for these, I would always recommend doing your prompts through Gemini or ChatGPT to have really good prompts. I'm just doing this for purpose of example to show you how well it does work. Go ahead and you approve it. It's going to use 15 credits. I get 50 credits, I believe, a day. All right, so here it is. It's pretty cool, pretty animated. What you can do is actually you can add in more stories here. You can create shorter stories. You could edit this, make it shorter, make it longer. So I'm gonna show that in future videos on how you actually get how you. So in future videos, I'm going to show you how that actually will work in order to maybe create listing presentations, listing videos, buyer videos, things like that. But it's pretty impressive. It looks pretty decent like me, and I'm going to keep creating. I'm going to keep working on it. I think it's something that we're going to all be using purely because Sora 2 didn't allow us to do a multiple storyboard. This is allowing us to go through 10 seconds at a time. So we're able to actually create the same character, create that consistency that was hard with Sora 2, and also edit it all on screen. So you're not going to take it off screen in order to edit it. So it's really a much better product than Sora 2. And as many of you know, Sora 2 is one of my favorite products to work with, but this is working absolutely excellent. So I think a lot of us are going to have a lot of fun with this. And I do think there will be real world applications with this to make our own videos.